Nootropics are the latest rage in cognitive supplements. But what are they? And do they work? To put it simply, nootropics are nutrients that support our brain, especially when it comes to learning, cognition, and mental processing speed. And yes, they really work. For our once daily Quick Brain formula, Life Extension combined 3 of the most sought-after, clinically studied ingredients that promote fast thinking, memory, and concentration. We started with the marigold extract, which contains brain-promoting carotenoids. Independent studies indicate that these carotenoids can encourage cognitive performance, improve reasoning skills, and more, regardless of age. The second extract in Quick Brain comes from the parsley family of herbs, which have long been studied for their benefits to alertness and mood health. But research shows that a standardized form of the extract is even more powerful. One study's participants showed significant improvements in their working memory, word recognition, spatial memory, and alertness. Finally, we added an extract that is also a popular study aid. After only months of daily use, another study's participants began processing visual information faster and even reported worrying less. Help your clients get the right nutrients to support their brain power. Show them Quick Brain Nootropic from Life Extension today.